Are you struggling to keep track of your leads in GoHighLevel? Without proper tracking, you could miss follow-up, lose the sales, and waste hours manually managing your contact. In this video, I will show you how to track leads in GoHighLevel CRM step by step. So you always know where your leads are and what stage they are in and what action to take in next. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and check the link in the description for exclusive GoHighLevel free trial and the access of the live bootcamp and the exclusive bonuses. Okay, so now let's get back to the video. First, log into your GoHighLevel dashboard and from the left sidebar, just click on this opportunities. Now this is where all of your leads live and you can see each one's detail like current stage and assigned the user at a glance. And step 2 is the filter and sorting the leads. At the top, you will see the options to filter your lead by stage. So here you can filter your leads. You can sorting by the last activity, creation, date, and consume fields, and more thing. This makes it easy to find the leads that need immediate attention or the follow-up. Now, next step is the opening a lead to see the details. So just click on the any lead to open the full record where you can see the contact information, communication history like the email or SMS or calls, and you can see the notes and the custom fields, the pipeline stage. Everything you need is one place. So no more switching between different apps. And the next thing is the update the lead status. To move a lead through your pipeline, just select the contact or the lead and then just click on this little edit button here. Now from here, if you want, then you can change the stage, the pipeline. You can also add the notes like schedule follow-up or the assign to the lead to another team member. And basically this is it. Now you know how to track your lead effectively in GoHighLevel CRM. With this system, you can stay on top of the every lead and follow up faster and grow your sales without the stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe this channel and drop a comment letting me know what CRM tip you would like to me cover next. So all the tools, template and free trial link in the description. And by checking the description, you can get the 30 days free trial, you can get the access of the live bootcamp, and you can get the some exclusive bonuses. So check that out. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.